Cut his eye. Yo. Ooh.
Ahí viene.
Yo. I always thought somebody was chasing after him, bro.
Oh my god.
Disculpa, ¿cómo te llamas?
Dayana.
¿Cómo?
Dayana.
¿Cómo? ¡Roberto!
I'm kidding. She forgot herself. No way. Whoa. So this is what it's gonna do when it wants to use the toilet. Are you kidding me, bro? No way. Bro.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour.
Whoa.
Daïla.
Oh, what is it do you do? You check
Le monde part en couille.
like. No way. Is he trying to take the shoes? Bro. Aw. Bro. Did you just take that jacket? Because I thought I wanted to help them carry it. Why are they running? Bro. These just look inside. Oh.
Tecnologia.
I thought you wanted to throw it inside. Are you kidding me? This guy is going to hold it throughout the journey. Yo.
भाईजान एक 40 वाला बिस्तर पैकेट दे है ना
भाईजान
No way. Yo. Bro. You've got to be kidding me. Bro. Don't get everything. What kind of phone call is she making like this? What sort of phone call is
इसका क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
So this has to be bad.
No. Oh no.
What kind of Who wants to climb up there? No way.
Hello.
Teknoloji.
Olmasın.
New business.
Hayırlı olsun.
Berekeli olsun.
Hayırlı olsun.
Başlayan işleriniz, biznesleriniz.
Git.
Bro, no. What kind of teeth is this? Bro. Like, can't he use his head or something? How is it, man? How is it? Flower is it panning?
Tecnologia.
Ooh. Hit him on the
Just finished getting my braids done.
Is that how it is something this week? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, man. The guy was already salivating. Whoa. Just replayed the bowling. And she still missed. Ah. Yo. I know that feeling. Ah.
ये क्या हो गया?
Even the other guy is too ah, this guy, bro. Ooh, no. Bro. Bro, it wasn't the man. The man will be so shocked. Like, he'll be so shocked. No way. It was a television. Why are you taking this direction? No, you didn't realize it. Just like that. We didn't even buy it, just to eat it. Oh. Oh. Like, how you gonna start, bro?
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Là, il est là. Le monde part en couille. Non.
I bet he doesn't want to talk to anybody.
भाई 50 रुपए के जलेबी दो, पार्सल कर दूं,
समझ रहे हो?
कैंसिल कर दूं.
See this, you cancel the order. He doesn't want to buy again. Ooh. That's see how fast this guy is. Bro,
God have mercy upon us.
what's that? Is this using screwdriver too? Oh, I'm not seeing well. Bro,
Eh, limone parang kuya.
what's all this? Did he just give a stranger his bag and bro, he's gone. Bro,
Oh my God.
you've got to be kidding me. Bro.
हेलो हाँ मालिक अरे मालिक वो थोड़ा सा गलती हो गई
Bro, what are coming out with such a
वो
boy?
क्या है कि
What kind of label? What kind of label?
बाद में नहीं मालिक को नींद लग गई थी